Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Kritika, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. I am going to explain about basic statistics. This mean, median and mode comes under basic statistics. The another name of mean, median, mode is called the measures of averages. So now I am going to explain one by one. So the first one is mean. There are three types of data: individual data, discrete data and continuous data. So first I am going to explain mean for individual data. So in this individual data, the mean formula is x bar is equal to summation x by n. So this is the first problem. Find the mean of the following set of data: 25, 32 up to etc. 30. So the solution, first we write the given data x, we take it as x. So the formula is x bar is equal to summation x by n, which is equal to sum of the given data is 296 divided by the number of data 10. So value is 29.6, which is nothing but mean. So this is the second problem. We take it as a practice problem. The next, now we move to type 2. This is a discrete frequency distribution. So here the formula is x bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. The another notation of summation f is capital N. Substitute that summation fx and summation f here. So the value is 13.1. So this is the another problem. The next, now we move to continuous frequency distribution. So in this continuous frequency distribution, the mean formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd by summation f into c. A is called the assumed average. D formula is x minus a by c. F is a frequency, c is the length of the interval given. So easily we can find the middle value. So this middle value is capital A, that is 75. So A is 75 and length of the interval is 10. So now we are going to find D value. Then in the final column, just we multiplying this Fn to D, we are getting Fd value. So after we writing this table, we calculate summation F and summation Fd. So here now we write the formula x bar is equal to A plus summation Fd by summation F into C. We substitute all the value from the table. Then final answer is 77.573. This is the mean value. This is the practice problem. So now we move to the second part, median. Median is nothing but the middlemost item when all the items are in the order of magnitude. It means we write the given data or in ascending order and descending order. Then we find the middle position. So now we are going to discuss about type 1 individual data. So if the observation are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude, then the middlemost item is called the median. This is the definition. So here no particular formula mentioned here. So here instead of formula, so this we understand if the observation are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the middlemost item is called the median. So here the first problem, find median of the set of observation. So this is the individual data. So there is no formula. So here the median for individual data means first we are going to arrange the given data in the ascending order. Okay, then next in the next step we are going to find the number of data. So here the number of data is 9. It is an odd. So easily we can find the middle position value, that is 27. That is median. So now we move to the second problem. Find median of the set of observations 27, 36 and etc. So the same way here also find ascending order, but the number of data is 10. So it is uneven. So in this problem we are having the in the middle position we are having two values. So the median is nothing but 27 plus 28 by 2, which is equal to 27.5. So now we move to the second type, discrete frequency distribution. Find median of the following frequency. In this table 57.5 lies between 56 and 81. So here this upper limit is 81. So the corresponding x value 20 is called the, so this 20 from the x data we can write the median value. So now we move to the third type, continuous frequency distribution. The median formula is L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c, where L is the lower limit of the median class, capital N is summation f, m is the cumulative frequency of the pre-median class, or we take it as instead of this m, we are taking PCF, both are same. F is the frequency of the median class and c is the length of the class interval. So find median for the following frequency distribution. So this is the true class limit frequency. It lies between 224 and 465. So this corresponding 465 is the highest value. So the corresponding 10 to 15 is called the median class interval. This 10 is called the L. This 241 is called the F. This 224 is called the PCF1. That is a pre-median class. So now we are going to substitute all the values in the formula. So the value is 12.15. This is the median. So the next, we move to the last topic, mode. So mode is a very simple definition is maximum repeated number. Mode is a value which has the greatest frequency density. It is denoted by Z. So now the type 1 is individual data. So here also there is no particular formula, only it is a definition form. So mode is defined to be that value which occurs most often. So here there are two problems are given here. So the first problem is 320, 395, 342 and 444 and something. So in the first problem, 395, 320 occurs one time, 395 occurs three times, 342 occurs one time, and similarly you find this 444 occurs one time and etc. So here, so in the first problem, 395 occurs three times. So this is 395 repeated maximum number of times. So the mode is 395. So here the mode value is only 1. So it is called the unimodal. Similarly, we find the second data. We take the second data and we are going to find the mode value. So here in this problem, this remaining, that is 0, 2 and 9 and etc. The remaining values are repeated one time, but the values 5 and 6 are repeated 4 times. So the maximum number of repetition is 4 times. So the corresponding value occurs is 5 and 6. So mode is equal to 5 and 6. So here the mode values are 2. So it is called the bimodal. The third one is a continuous frequency distribution. The formula is Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus of F0 plus F2 into C, where L is the lower limit of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, F0 is the frequency of the pre-model class, F2 is the frequency of the post-model class, and C is the class interval. So here the first problem is find mode for the following frequency distribution. So here the class limit and the corresponding f values are given. Solution. So in this, actually the interval is not the true class limit, because 46 to 50, the next limit starts from 51 to 55 and etc. So here, suppose if the given interval is not a true limit, means we are going to convert to true class limit. So how to find a true class limit? Here the lower limit is the first one, low ends at 50 and next value starts at 51. So the difference between these two is 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So now we subtract 0.5 from this lower limit and add from the upper limit. So we are applying the same concept throughout the interval. So automatically it converts to true class limit like this. Okay. Then next we are going to find the model class. So how to find model class? So here there is no particular term is used to find model class. Just we are going to find the highest frequency from the given frequencies. So here 11 is the highest frequency. So here the corresponding interval is called the model class. So this is the L value and this 9 is called the previous frequency. 9 is called F1. If not, this 11 is called F1. The 7 is called F2. So we substitute all the values here. So the mode is 72.17. So this problem, find mean, median and mode for the following frequency distribution. So now we are going to first, before we start the problem, we are going to observe the data. Which data? It belongs to individual or discrete or continuous. Definitely this belongs to the continuous data, but here the class limit is 1 to 10, 11 to 12. So definitely this is not a true class limit. So before we are going to start the problem, first we are going to convert this non-true limit to true class limit. Then we start the problem. The value is, for mean value is 48.61, median is 44.67, mode is 34.94. Thank you. I hope everyone understood mean, median, mode. Thank you once again.